I'm loving that you're here joining us here. And I really, really appreciate you. I'm almost done with this last one. I'm gonna head out of here. I'm gonna take a little breather. Catch me tonight, catch me outside. Tonight I have a webinar, a free webinar that I'm hosting tonight. I'm gonna teach people about the co-op and the process of getting in on the co-op. You can register there at moringagrowerscoop.org. And that's where I'll be tonight on a free webinar. And I'd love for you to come in the room, ask some questions. It's gonna be about 40 minutes of just kind of going over the free book. Then we'll have about 20-30 minutes of Q&A, and I'll get into questions and answers tonight. That'll be at 8 o'clock tonight, Eastern Standard Time, and I'll be there. And we're probably going to try to do that every week. It's going to be great. And this is what we're doing right now. We're just planting seeds. Got to plant seeds every day. Just makes me feel good knowing that I'm creating a life. And also knowing that this is also going to help me live. You know, this is going to give me an income, because I'm planting this seed that might be 2-3 pennies worth, maybe even a penny. As soon as I stick it in here and I put some soil on there and I wait a couple days, I've got a $10 tree. So I just 1000x'd. So I've got a $10 tree here. Say I sell them 5 of them. You know, I might sell 5 of them for 40 bucks. Might sell 10 of them together, even for free, when it comes with products in a box. But you're multiplying your potential energy to create a living for yourself, even just utilizing nature and becoming a producer and not always just a consumer. And that's kind of my motto, is that I want to be able to create something. I'm an artist. It's always been in my motto to be somewhat of a creator and to make something and give something to the world from my heart. This is from my heart to yours. Moringa love. Plant some seeds. Spring is in the air. If you've got a black thumb, let me see your thumb. Put your thumb up here. You got a black thumb? You got a black thumb? Let me rub that off. Let me rub that off there. Let me rub that black thumb off and get you a green thumb. It looks like I got some black thumbs, but I'm still planting seeds. I'm in confidence with myself and in nature, just knowing that what I'm doing right now, they're gonna sprout. Y'all gonna sprout today, okay? Y'all gonna sprout, all right? Get your act together, get ready, shake it, we gonna make it, and we're gonna plant some trees and some seeds so that way we can get these pots and seeds out to you. Really love you guys. Thanks so much for joining us. I'm Kendrick Henry, your local Moringa farmer. Really had a great time with you today. Thanks for asking all the questions. Please like this video. Follow me on TikTok. Hit me up on Instagram, YouTube, not only at Numa Nursery, my brand right here, but also at the Moringa Growers Co-op. I really appreciate you. Give me a call, 813-690-6516, or shoot me a text message, 813-567-3100. Our cousin here says they live in Mexico and they're growing papaya, avocado, and mangoes, and moringa. We have one of our co-op members is actually in Puebla. I know it gets a little cold there, but he's in Puebla, he's in Mexico, and really love moringa quality, actually, all the way out in Mexico. Moringa loves Mexico, and I can't wait to go to Mexico and share with everyone just how great Mexico is. Shoot, 50% of all of our produce is coming from Mexico right now, just right across the border, boom. And thank you to the president of Mexico for no longer accepting glyphosate in your fertilizers. So they banned glyphosate. Beautiful in Mexico. So Mexico is really making some really great moves in the agriculture industry. Get into agriculture, become a farmer, do like your ancestors did and plant some trees, plant some seeds. Grow some food. You know, what are you waiting for? You know, like, what happens when the world shuts down again? Are you going to be left wondering who's going to give you a handout? Or are you going to be able to go to your backyard and know that your family's safe, knowing that you're taken care of because you've got the knowledge and know that your family can be taken care of without having to worry about, say, what the food system looks like out here, because it's nuts. And you got to stop eating the GMOs and stop eating the sugar and stop eating all that crap and get that stuff out of your body. Because you are a goddess, and you deserve much better. Treat your temple with love. We love mame sapotes and all that good stuff, man. Ooh, they got the fruits going right now. They're loving it, loving it. Thank you, y'all. Thank you. I've been here for over an hour and a half now. I love you guys. I'll be back. I'll be back on TikTok. Having great success with TikTok. Love the videos that everybody's putting out. I love making those quick 1-minute videos with all that little asset of information in there. So thanks, guys. Thanks for joining us. Peace, love, prosperous growing. I'll see you next time. See you real soon. Dragon fruits. This man's going in on all the fruit. Of course, I know you got it. I know you got all the fruits in Mexico, man. Now you're making all of us jealous over here. All the people in Nebraska and Ohio, Connecticut, they don't know what those fruits are. They need to get out and about, grow some moringa, mango, sapote, whatever you can do. Grow some fruit trees. Awesome, awesome, awesome. All right, thanks, guys. Peace. Much love. Talk to you soon.